Hello viewers, welcome to Raxio Hour. It's great having you back. This week we featured Raphael Bisaso, the Head of Distribution, Sales and Marketing at Liberty General Insurance Uganda. Liberty General Insurance Uganda offers a comprehensive range of short and long-term insurance products, value-added services, health solutions, retirement income facilitation, and investment and lifestyle risk solutions for both the retail and corporate markets. The fast-evolving digital revolution has sparked a conversation amongst several sectors, taking no exception to the insurance sector about the urgency to transition from physical to digital files. Listen as Rafael explains how Liberty General has gone about transitioning to the digital realm, as well as how the fourth industrial revolution is influencing sales in the insurance sector. Take it away, Rafael.
Rafael is a Ugandan that works, of course, for Liberty General. At Liberty, I spearhead the sales and marketing department, a department responsible for making sure that we achieve the desired brand equity and also, most importantly, to drive business growth. As an individual, of course, like any other salesperson, I enjoy networking with colleagues, friends. I enjoy reading. I read a lot. I also enjoy seeing smaller brands take on the so traditional known brands. So Liberty General Insurance is a short-term insurer in Uganda. Initially 3 to 4 years ago, we were called East African Underwriters. We are part of a bigger group, Liberty Holdings, that is owned by Standard Bank. However, in Uganda, Standard Bank owns about 51% of Liberty Uganda. And we have another shareholder called Madivan Group that owns 49%. Within Standard Bank, we have sister companies like Stanbic Bank, the largest bank in Uganda, and Liberty Life. Under Madivan Group, we have so many, the likes of Kakira, Sugarworks, Maras Africa, Excel Construction. We have been in business for a long period, I think over 20 years. Our managing director is Mr. Peter Makano, and our main objective is to see that we are part of the top 4 largest insurance companies in Uganda. The digital revolution has automatically been one that anyone can't ignore. And most importantly, the last 2 years of COVID have taught us huge lessons to make sure that you have a dynamic business. However, insurance has been a slow start. Being that insurance is just 1% of GDP, it's a new concept to most of the Ugandans. So at Liberty, what we're trying to see is to have a mix of both digital touch points and the traditional touch points. Usually we are using much of digital platforms or touch points to create visibility and also to generate leads. An example is that now you can go on Jumia and access our products there. But in the customer journey, at one point, we make sure that we have someone to go there to assist, explain the solution to you. So I would say not much in terms of achieving sales directly through digital. But of course, with the past experience, it's high time that we have a digital takeover. But also, most importantly, to note the emerging risks that have come with the development around technology and so on and so forth. We are seeing most clients now seeking for policies, for example, commercial crime. Commercial crime basically covers you in case someone has access to your internet banking, or they have got access to your mobile money PIN, and then they divert your money elsewhere. Initially, we were just looking at physical cash, but now such risks are on high demand. The other risk that we see that people are demanding for is cyber crime. I think the beginning of the war of Ukraine and Russia, we had a few cases of people trying to hack in here and there. So there's demand for risk that previously we were not prepared for, we didn't take serious, and now they are quite serious, and internally we have tried to build capacity to provide solutions for such. In the world where everyone is transitioning to digital from the manual ways of working, at Liberty, I'll be honest, we have moved a little bit slow. It's something we would have done 2 years ago. But currently, we are procuring an electronic document management system, and we are taking our employees through how it works. So this will be synchronized with our management system internally, and it will be a replica of what you're doing on the management system. We are still, of course, in discussion of whether to host the servers here or to go to our head offices, depending on what's the best option that is out there.
How do Tier 3 data centers make your move to the cloud that much simpler?
Basically, I think the most important thing is that then me being an insurer, I really don't have the capacity and the resources to set up your own data center. So outsourcing it to a Tier 3 data center, for example, Raxio, will make it more cheaper for me, but also most importantly is that it's safer because they have built enough infrastructure for them to do this business. And again, they are the experts to doing that. So in that way, I think it's a better decision to outsource such a role versus again going back to building your own.
Thank you for your time, Raphael. Pleasure having you on the show. Thank you viewers for tuning in and have a lovely weekend.